Welcome back to another episode of Hoser Garage. Today's plan is to get the engine ready for the machine shop, and then after that it's going to get painted before we go back into the engine bay. After today we should be done with the engine for quite a little bit as we're waiting for parts to come in. We're just headed to the store to pick up some supplies and then we'll be back at the shop. We're just about ready to get started on pulling apart the bottom end of the engine here, the K20. First things first is going to be to get the oil pan out, and then we're going to take the pistons out, and then it's going to be the crankshaft, and then we're pretty much going to be done for the engine. It's going to be a little bit of a quicker video today, I think. So on the oil pan here, we've got 10 mils all the way around. Just go ahead and zip all of them off. Every single one needs to come out. Okay, so now that we've got all of the oil pan bolts out, you're just going to stick a pry bar in each one of these little openings here, as many times as you need. There's some on the other side as well. You could probably use that one and that one there, and that will get you your oil pan off. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the oil pump chain off. To get the chain off, what you're going to have to do is just loosen off the oil pump and kind of angle the oil pump out. Next thing is going to be to get this little shield off. That's just a few, it looks like 10 mils all the way around, and that'll be off now too. Okay, we got the little shield off. So next is going to be removing the pistons. Okay, so we got all the pistons off. So as you can see, I did label them. Next up is going to be getting this girdle off. Okay, just like how we took off the pan, you're going to find all the slots that look like that and put a pry bar in there, and it'll separate the lower half of the block from the upper half of the block. and that just about has it. So this engine is now ready to go to the machine shop. They're going to clean it. They're going to make sure the head's flat. The surface on the top of the block is flat. Basically, they're going to do everything up until the final assembly. I want to do the final assembly, take you guys along while I do it. Thank you for watching today's video. The engine's pretty much done. It's ready to go to the machine shop. It's at a standstill now. Hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment down in the comment section below. Tell me I'm doing something wrong. Give me some motivation, whatever you want. And come on back to Hoser Garage.